My colleagues mock me, so I cry in washroom. A month ago, while 8 months pregnant, I started having contractions at work. Thinking it was just Braxton Hicks again, I kept working. Last time this happened, my boss, John, made sarcastic comments about me being dramatic, so I didn't want to make a fuss. By noon, the contractions were stronger, and I knew it was real labor. I told John I needed to go to the hospital. He shouted, "It's just a meeting. Sit through it, and then you can go. It's not like the baby is going to pop out right now." Feeling pressured and scared for my job, I stayed. The meeting lasted 2 painful hours. By the end of it, I was in so much pain that I could barely walk. I finally left and drove myself to the hospital, where I was admitted immediately. My daughter was born later that evening, thankfully healthy despite the delay. It turned out he had emailed the entire